Hey everybody, Coach Paula here, and today we have a lift and firm chest workout for you. And it is seated. You can do it standing if you want. Also, I'm using resistance bands. You can use hand weights or you can use the bands. If you do not have either, that's totally fine. You can do this workout without. So if you're using resistance bands, we are going to have them under our feet most of the time. Now, if you're unfamiliar with resistance bands, they come in varied resistance strengths, a lot like dumbbells. The smaller ones are for like lighter weights, and as you get thicker, you have a stronger resistance, so it's more like using a heavier dumbbell. So I'm just using the red one, which is about 5 to 10 pounds today. So the first exercise we are going to do is a bent over row. Let me demonstrate first. And just taking the weight, taking the resistance band, and we are going to I'm going to do this from the side so you can actually see a little bit better. I'm going to grab down a little bit low to make it a little bit more of a resistance, and I'm actually going to twist this over my hand so you can see a little better. So you're bending over ever so slightly. You're hinging at your hips, tucking your core in, tightening it up, and then tucking your tailbone under. And you're just pulling straight back, lifting that elbow straight back, and it's really going to target your whole arm here, but it also will target your pectoral muscles. So again, when you lift, you exhale. As you bring your hands down, you inhale. So there we go. So let's get that timer started. I'm going to go back to the front here. Again, the great thing about resistance bands, if you want to increase that resistance, you can use your feet to either lessen or increase, depending on if you're widening your legs or putting them closer together. So 30 seconds on the clock. Grab low if you need to. You get that band exactly where you want it. And just, lift. Okay, it's coming in then. Try this again. So get that band where you want it, and we're going to start the timer over. Take this out, please. So we have 30 seconds on the clock. Here we go. Tighten that core, keep it tight. Keep those shoulders back. Good job. Make them come up nice and straight. Pull them back. Keep that core tight. Good work. Good job. 3, 2, last one. Good job. Now we're doing a bicep curl next. Same type of thing. Feet shoulder width apart, tailbone tucked, core tight. And we're lifting with our arms. Again, you get to the side so you can see. Back nice and tall, chest up high. And we're just using that bicep right here to really pull that weight. Again, if you need to increase the resistance, you can widen your legs, or you can wrap the resistant band around your hand, whichever is best for you to create the resistance level you're after. So here we go. 30 seconds on the timer, and you just lift straight up. Keep that chest up nice and tall. Exhale when you lift, inhale when you lower. Really target those biceps. Good work. You've got this. 3, 2, last one. Good job. Now the next exercise is an upright row. Now I'm going to take my band and I'm going to pull it from in between, so it's literally wrapping my feet. I don't know if you can see that, to make this a hair bit easier and to give the resistance I'm after. So this will allow me to do the row. So again, I can widen my feet to increase that resistance, but then I'm pulling from below, leaning forward, tightening that core, tailbone tucked, and you're pulling straight up, making a V with your elbows. So that's the move. So let's get the timer. Here we go. When you come up, exhale, really targeting those pectoral muscles in our chest, as well as the muscles underneath in our armpit, down by our bra. So it helps eliminate all of that bra bulge, the armpit fat, all that stuff you don't want. I don't want. Good job. 3, 2, last one. Nicely done. So the next exercise is a front arm raise. Now I'm gonna take it off my feet and just leave the band underneath my feet because we're doing a front arm raise, so I'm gonna need a little extra space because it's a little bit of a larger movement. So again, sit up nice and tall, tailbone tuck, core tight. We're raising our hands straight up from our knees. So just like this from the side. So again, straight up. Now, the wider you put your feet, the more resistance you're going to have, the more difficult it will be. And again, exhale when you come up, inhale when you bring your hands down. Let's get that timer started. Here we go. All right. Good work. Core tight. Chest back, or I should say chest up nice and tall. Shoulders back. Really targeting. When you lift, you can really feel it all under here. Good work. Three, 2, one more. Good job. All right, next exercise is a bent arm lateral raise. Now, you're just taking your hands and you're pulling them up to the sides. So come this way, it's gonna be easier to see. Keeping your elbow at a 90-degree bend, you're lifting straight up. Again, depending on how much of a resistance, well, you can gauge that by how wide you are separating your hands. You have to separate a little bit to have enough band to actually allow your arms to come up. So dumbbells, not a problem. Without either, obviously not a problem, but you will have to gauge with your band to determine that ability to either move or the amount of resistance you want. So let's get that timer going. Here we go. Exhale when you lift those elbows. Keep that core tight. This is not an easy move, not with the band. Good job. Keep your shoulders back. Core tight. Keep breathing. Good work. 3, 2, last one. Good job. Now you just conquered round 1. Now, a lot less explanation in round 2 and round 3. So let's get started. Let's make it happen.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Good job. Core tight. Hinged at your hips just a little. Lift those elbows straight up. Keep your shoulders down and back. Not hunching them over. Keep that core tight. Three, 2, last one. Good work. All right, right into that bicep curl. Here we go. Good job. Really target that arm. The shoulders back. Sit up nice and tall. Core tight. Keep breathing. Exhale Good work. Really target those biceps. 3, 2, last one. Excellent job. Now, right into that upright row. So pull that resistance band. Get it ready. Sit up nice and tall. There we go. Adjust that resistance by separating your hands or your feet. Or make it less by putting your hands closer together and feet closer together. Keep that core tight. Good work. Three, 2, last one. Good job. Now, right into those front arm raises. Let's move that band. Here we go. Okay, straight up. Exhale when you raise those arms. Good job. It's not easy. Really works the top of your shoulders as well as those pecs. That's what lifts that chest. I am sweating. 3, 2, last one. Good job. Now, right into that bent arm lateral raise. Here we go. Shoulders back, core tight, or the tailbone tucked. Keep everything very stable. Breathe. Good work. Those elbows up. 3, 2, last one. Good job. Nicely done. Round of applause. Completing round 2. Let's make round 3 happen.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Good job. Core tight. Hinged at your hips just a little. Lift those elbows straight up. Keep your shoulders down and back. Not hunching them over. Keep that core tight. Three, 2, last one. Good work. All right into that bicep curl. Here we go. Good job. Really target that arm. Push shoulders back. Sit up nice and tall. Core tight. Keep breathing. Exhale. Good work. Really target those biceps. 3, 2, last one. Excellent job. Now, right into that upright row. So pull that resistance band. Get it ready. Sit up nice and tall. There we go. Adjust that resistance by separating your hands or your feet. Or make it less by putting your hands closer together and feet closer together. Keep that core tight. Good work. Three, 2, last one. Good job. Now, right into those front arm raises. Let's move that band. Here we go. Okay, straight up. Exhale when you raise those arms. Good job. It's not easy. Really works the top of your shoulders as well as those pecs. That's what lifts that chest. I am sweating. 3, 2, last one. Good job. Now, right into that bent arm lateral raise. Here we go. Shoulders back, core tight, or the tailbone tucked. Keep everything very stable. Breathe. Good work. Those elbows up. Three, 2, last one. Good job. I am so proud of you. You conquered this lift and firm chest workout, and I am very proud of you. So again, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this workout, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to make sure that you do not miss any future workouts with us, hit the bell icon below to subscribe to our channel. Now, I'd love to know, where are you from? Did you use resistance bands, or did you use dumbbells, or did you do it completely without? Tell me what you prefer, and I cannot wait to see you next time.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.